Today we've got an upper MannyMount for a Nissan Juke 2011 to 2017, front wheel drive or all wheel drive. This is the fluted version, ooh la la, and also powder coated, obviously. Again, mine is a little bit extra special than what you normally get, but that's because I'm hawking the things. And so what I'm gonna do today is show you how easy it is to put this in your Juke. Let's do it! This installation is super easy. All you need is an 18mm deep well extension and an 18mm short extension. And a cheater bar, maybe if you're not buff like me. Which I'm kidding, I actually use the cheater bar because I'm not that buff. Now what you see here is the upper motor mount on my Nissan Juke. It is already painted blue. It's a solid urethane filled mount. I also have an oil catch can here, the Saichumitsu, which you may not. So if you don't have that part, then just ignore it. But it's going to be real simple to remove this. We're just going to take out that bolt and take out that bolt and then be on our way. Alright, let's put our 18mm on there and push! Alright, so what I'm going to do is put the 18mm socket right on there. And I'm going to use a cheater bar. Break that free. Alright, and the bolt doesn't need to come all the way out for the mount to. Ta-da! Woo! This is a really good comparison between the two. This is the upper MannyMount, like I said, and this is a solid urethane-filled OEM mount. Significantly more vibration absorption in the OEM mount than the MannyMount. The idea behind this is to eliminate wasted energy of the motor and transfer that power directly to the wheels. And it's not like you're going to gain horsepower, but you're going to definitely change the feel of your Juke significantly. So let's get this installed. Alright, so I'm going to take it, put that bolt in there, and shimmy this guy into place. And then hopefully that'll hand thread in at least a little bit. Now you see there the hole doesn't perfectly line up. Just a little bit of gentle persuasion on your end, moving the motor, and you'll be able to get that bolt in there. Tighten that down. And then tighten that one down. And that's it, guys. You have a new upper MannyMount installed in your vehicle. It is literally that simple. 2 bolts and 2 very basic tools, and you got it going. Enjoy your new MannyMount installation. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Have yourself a wonderful day. See ya!